Hi, second graders! Welcome to your first social science video. I hope you are so excited. And clue number 1. It starts with the letter R. It's a river. Did you guess river? Do you see these 4 words over here? Did you say middle? Great job. Hi everyone. Look where I am today. Since I can't leave my house, I thought I would pretend to be at the river. It's where the river joins the sea. So I'm going to draw a line here. Oh my goodness, it is so cold here. Hurry, tell me, we're in the ocean. Can you tell me what kind of water is in the ocean? Sure, okay. And then we're going to go. Have a good day. Bye.
When this day is done.